welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you on how to make Korean traditional kimchi. Without further ado, let's get started. My kimchi ingredients are napa cabbage, carrots, radish, Asian chives. In Korean, we call it baechu. Garlic, ginger, chili powder, sugar, rice powder, and fish sauce. First, cut the napa cabbage into bite-sized pieces like this. Then soak it with salt and water for about 40 minutes. As you can see here, it's already been soaked. So we will now proceed in making the kimchi paste. In my case, I will use the blender to make sure the ingredients are mixed well so we can have a paste. To make the paste, first, put 1 cup of chili powder. Two tablespoons of fish sauce. 1/8 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of garlic, 1/8 cup of ginger, and lastly, put 1 cup of rice powder that is boiled with water. Then cover it up and blend it. As you can see, it's all blended out and the color is pretty nice. So we're done with our paste. We will now proceed to our kimchi. Put the sliced carrots, the radish, and the baechu. Followed by the paste. Then mix it all together. Then put the napa cabbage in. Mix it all again. And we're done. Now let's taste it. Yum! And that's it. It's very easy. In just simple steps, you will have your traditional kimchi. Hope you like it, guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye!